In this video, I will show you how to fix your iPhone battery draining quickly, and you'll figure out with this video which apps actually drain your battery and how to limit them. So the first thing you want to do is slap the like button and subscribe. Then you want to head over to settings and go down to battery. It should be right here with the green icon. Click on it, and here after it loads up, you can see your battery health, charging, all of this activity. But when you go down, it says battery usage by app, and you can show your activities right here, and you can see how much time and battery has it consumed. It's basically filtered out from the one that has the most battery usage, right? For me, it's a bunch of trading apps. So you can click on show activity, and you can see which apps drain your battery in the background the most. For me, for example, is TradingView. So what you want to do is go back to your general settings. From there, you want to click on background app refresh, and you can either turn it off for all apps or just for the ones that drain your battery the most. Another thing you can do is go over to screen time and just limit some of the apps so you do not use them more than you should. If you still have any questions after watching this video, please let me know in the comment section down below.